I just bought into Virtual's protocol. So if you don't know what Virtual's protocol is, what it is it's basically the leader in the AI agents narrative. So back here at the end of 2024, we had a huge run up on this, right? I think it did 100x or something, because there was a lot of hype in AI, right? And these AI agents came along, and we basically had like a bull run in the AI agents, right? And now, along with the rest of the market crashing, this has obviously crashed a lot too. So this is currently down over a 10x from the all-time highs right now, right? So just to get back up to the previous all-time highs, you're already making a 10x on your money. So I've decided to start buying this right now because I think it's not going to go much lower than this. Like, I've got this support line here, right, which basically coincides with this area here that it was trading. It had some trading activity here before the big pumps, and this is the bottom of that range, right, that line. So as long as we don't come beneath that, then this looks like good buys in my opinion. If it goes beneath that, then maybe it's not great, because the risk with this one is it just kind of goes down and doesn't recover. Like, for example, if the bull market doesn't continue and we go into a bear market, and it's probably going to do something similar to what Gala Games did in the previous cycle. So if you look at Gala Games, it had a big pump, right, like 100x or whatever it did, and then it just kind of dropped off and went down to the previous lows and then went sideways forever. Okay, so that's the risk with this one, because it is a hype narrative. It's not massively fundamentally sound. So long as the bull market continues and we don't go into a massive bear market, they'll probably be good, right? But yeah, like I said, if it breaks down beneath this line and we go into a bear market overall, then maybe it's not going to be looking good. But so long as it holds above this, I think it's looking pretty strong. And I definitely think once the market continues in a bullish way, that we can continue back up to the previous all-time high and potentially beyond that. And I think this is likely to happen in the parabolic phases of the bull run, right? So when everything gets super euphoric, this is going to come back, because this is pretty much equivalent to NFTs or the metaverse narrative from the previous cycle, right? You know, we've got all these AI agents here. It's just a new fancy thing, right? It's only going to come around when the market's in a super bullish sentiment, right? It's not going to happen when things are bearish. My plan is to buy this now and then wait until the market goes crazy again, and I think this will do well. The tokenomics are pretty good. So you've got 5% of the liquidity pool, 60% released, and 35% in the treasury. So basically all the tokens are released except for this 35%. It says this will sit in a DAO controlled by a multi-signature wallet and will not have more than 10% emissions per year for the next 3 years. So tokenomics of this are pretty good. There's not like tons of unlocks happening, so that won't cause too much dilution in the price. Okay, and Binance just listed this the other day, so that's a good sign that Binance is buying into this. Maybe Coinbase is next. And this is on Ethereum, BASECHAIN and Solana chain, so it's cross-chain, which is good on the best chains as well. And so yeah, that's basically my plan with this one. It's basically over a 10x away from the all-time high. I think these are great times to buy at these lows whilst there's no hype at all, and once the hype comes back, I think this could definitely explode back to all-time highs, which is over a 10x from where we are now. Nice. And I think it could go higher than that too. So there you go. Obviously do your own research before investing any money into this. Please drop me a like, as it helps the algorithm push my videos, and also consider subscribing if you want to keep up with my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.